My name is Seshi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, my first ever YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos and more of my smiles so you can see and more of my laughter. Okay, I'm kidding. And I'm here to talk about lifestyles and how you can better your life, your lifestyles. Yeah. I'm going to talk about how to make wigs and how to make your own wig at home. And you need a crochet, and you need a weave, and you need a wig cap. And then we take the crochet, and then you put the weave slowly, touch it well, and then put it inside slowly, and then ta-da, there it goes. Just one by one, be careful and maintain it to be very neat and nice. See, nobody can know it's a wig, but actually it's a wig. It's easy to make it at home when you are in a hurry, when you want to just put something and you have not make your hair, and this is the best. Okay, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe and share and click on the notification bell. Thank you.